Everyone says AI will make you money, but every video I have watched either sells you a course or uses tools that cost $50 a month. So today I am doing something different. I spent $0. I tested 3 completely free AI tools to see which one could actually make money the fastest. I'm going to show you every result, including the one that completely surprised me, and I am going to be honest about which one failed. That is what I built today using the 3 tools I am about to show you. Let me prove exactly how I did it. 3 tools, 3 tabs, all completely free, no subscriptions, no credit card, just a laptop and 1 hour. Here is what I found. Quick question before we start. Which of these 3 do you already use? Comment A for ChatGPT, B for Canva, C for Kokoro TTS, or D if you have never heard of any of them. Drop it below right now. The first tool is ChatGPT on the free plan. No subscription, no GPT-4. Just the standard free version anyone can sign up for right now. The question I wanted to answer is this: can a free AI writing tool produce something good enough that a real business would pay for it? I went to Fiverr and searched for article writing gigs. This seller has 2,000 reviews charging $30 per article. This one charges $50. This one charges $80. All of them are writing articles. None of them are doing it manually. They are using AI. The only difference between them and a beginner is that they started. I opened ChatGPT free and typed this exact prompt. Write a 900-word blog post for a small business owner about 5 ways to use AI to save time in their daily operations. Use simple language, short paragraphs, and a friendly professional tone. Include a strong opening hook and a clear conclusion. Watch what happens. In under 30 seconds, I have a complete 900-word article. Scrolling through, it has a hook, 5 sections, a conclusion, clean and readable. But here is what most tutorials skip completely. This is the edit that takes 11 minutes, not hours. 11 minutes. I take the robotic opening line on the left and replace it with something that sounds like a real person talking. That is the entire skill. You are not a writer. You are an editor. And editing AI output is 10 times faster than writing from scratch. 11 minutes, $30 article. That is roughly $160 per hour if you do this consistently. Tool 1 passed the test. The second tool is Canva on the free plan. Canva has added AI features to the free tier that most people do not know exist. YouTubers need new thumbnails for every single video they upload. A channel uploading daily needs 30 thumbnails per month. This is a real recurring income opportunity. Let me show you exactly what I built, and the mistake I almost made that would have wasted 40 minutes. I opened Canva free, searched YouTube thumbnail, picked this dark template, already professional looking, changed the text to match a real video topic. Now watch this. I clicked on the image element. Then edit image, then the magic option. I typed a futuristic AI robot, dark background, glowing blue. 8 seconds later, look at that. A completely unique AI-generated image. I dropped it into the template, changed the colors. Done. 3 minutes and 40 seconds total. Now here is where I made a mistake, and I am going to show you exactly what to watch out for so you do not waste 40 minutes like I did. See this crown icon? That means paid. The moment you see a crown anywhere in Canva, do not click it. I got overconfident and tried to build a full brand kit. Every time I picked what looked like a great element, crown, 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 40 minutes wasted finding free alternatives. The fix is simple. Before you touch any element, look for the crown icon first. If it has a crown, skip it immediately and search for the free version. Thumbnails and social media graphics in the free tier, that is your zone. Stay inside it and you will never hit this wall. The third tool is the one I actually used to create this channel. Kokoro TTS, completely free, no account needed, runs in your browser at Hugging Face. I wanted to test how fast I could turn a script into a professional voiceover and whether the quality was good enough for a real client to pay for it. Podcast producers need intros. YouTubers need narration. E-learning companies need lesson audio. All of them need voiceover. None of them want to pay $200 to a professional voice actor when an AI voice costs $0 and takes 2 minutes. I went to Hugging Face and opened the Kokoro TTS space, pasted a 30-second podcast intro script, selected the Adam voice, male, professional, natural sounding, clicked generate. 11 seconds. Listen to this output. If someone sent me this as a professional voiceover sample, I would believe it came from a real voice actor. I listed this exact sample on Fiverr as a voiceover service starting at $15 for up to 500 words. Posted 2 buyer request offers. The service is live and the tool cost me nothing. Here is the honest comparison. ChatGPT article writing 11 minutes, $30 potential, requires editing, verdict, strong long-term income. Canva thumbnail design, 4 minutes, $15 per thumbnail, requires design awareness, verdict, fastest to start earning. Kokoro TTS voiceover, 2 minutes, $15 to $30, requires nothing, verdict, easiest single task to sell right now. If I had to pick one for a complete beginner starting today, it is Kokoro TTS. Not because it pays the most, because the barrier is absolutely zero. You paste text, you download audio, you deliver to the client. You can start in the next 20 minutes. But here is what the entire experiment actually taught me. None of these 3 tools are the hard part. The hard part is sending your first Fiverr offer to a real client. The moment you put yourself in front of a buyer and say, "Here is what I can do for you," that is the actual barrier. Everything before that is just preparation. And now you have done the preparation. I have all 3 services listed on Fiverr right now. Whether any of them get a response this week, I am going to tell you exactly what happened in my next video. Real results, whether good or bad. If this gave you one thing you can use today, subscribe right now because I post a new AI experiment every single day. Go back to my question from the beginning, A for ChatGPT, B for Canva, C for Kokoro TTS, or D if you had never heard of any of them. And tell me which one you are trying first. I personally reply to every single comment.